He's back! Yeah, he got back yesterday morning, had a bit of a rest in the afternoon and went to work yesterday evening, basically. So he's a bit of a zombie this morning, is that right, Mas?
Not a zombie, yeah, well, obviously it's getting back into the work thing. It's not easy, you gotta sort of set your head right. But yeah, it's good, not bad.
Yeah. Right, where are you taking me?
And Bardrago, on the upper half of Siragusa, seaside.
Yeah. Northern side of
Northern side,
Siragusa.
on the seaside, yeah. You're gonna have a relaxing breakfast this morning.
Nice. And we just stopped off at the bar and I went for a savoury ham and onion and cheese.
I've got a sweet Trecina, how would you say Trecina?
Flat.
The sweet black with jam, apricot jam. Very nice.
We've never been in this bar. What's it called, Mas? Putia Lab. Because our usual bar, they were doing some building, so it was a bit disappointing. Anyway, we've discovered this nice little bar, and it's near a lovely little port. Is it a port? A harbour? Yeah? We'll take you for a little look afterwards.
Interesting things happened this morning. Maria has ordered a cappuccino, and look here what's happened over here.
I don't usually do this. I don't know what happened.
She was not watching, and she stirred her coffee a bit viciously, and there's not much coffee left in the cup anymore.
He forgot to mention that I had to wipe down the table because he had like some sort of a jam plat and it squirted out everywhere. So
It's been quite a disaster this morning. And it's been such a good breakfast.
yeah, right.
It was nice, but all over the place.
Messy.
Good old Ortija.
Yeah, that's Ortija just across over there. This is the little port. It's lovely.
Fisherman's port, this is.
Yeah, there used to be a nice bar here, but they've closed.
Yeah, it's a summer bar, really.
It's a shame. Maybe it'll be open again in the summer, do you reckon?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Should be.
They might be fixing it for the summer.
Yeah, that's I think a bit of
It's like
work.
my favourite little bar because you can see people on the beach and on the water. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Looks like they're fixing it, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Let's go for a walk along the
Yeah.
bridge. ready to go on this hike with my friend and work colleague Laura and her husband, and we're going to take you up those famous mountains that I always film. So join us. Are you ready, Mas, for this hike?
I am. Good morning. Quite early in the morning.
Not that early.
Well, it's early enough. I'm getting ready myself. We both got ready to go meet up with Maria's colleague and her husband.
Yep.
All four of us going on a nice little hike on the mountains not so far away from here.
Okay.
Enjoy.
My way to the top.
Okay, so we're all going up in that direction.
No one could ever safely.
And we're going to enjoy that.
I think you're going to drop off the cliff.
Okay, on the trail we're taking now, this is the first probably man-made stairs. So it's really antique. It's a staircase basically, and it's been carved out because many years ago people used to live up here. So to transport their goods up, they would have made a walking path, stairs and everything else. So yeah, it's an easier walk. Quite interesting. Come state? A posto?
Fantastic.
Okay,
We enjoy the landscape.
exactly that.
Wow.
Questo penso che
How beautiful is it?
è il carretto che
Sì.
facciamo.
Incredibile.
Basically, the whole floor is been made to
Excavated, really.
it's easier access to get up, bringing up all the goods, foods, and what have you.
Well, we don't know, but anyway,
Well, that's something you think about when you to be the way they'd go down.
So here we've just found some wild sage. Oh, it smells beautiful.
Yeah, the scent of it is actually beautiful.
Laura-
When you're walking through, you can smell it.
Yeah. Laura apparently has been picking it for years and cooking with it, and she's still alive.
Yeah.
It's nice when you have a barbecue.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. It's like rosemary, isn't it?
Chicken.
So basically, this is the doorway to the. They call it the cava. So it's the cutout. That's. So that if it was a village, it would be the entrance to the village. Okay, so this is where the quarry is. This is a plant, it's called nipidedda, and it is very well known in Sicily. It's almost like a chicory. It is normally boiled and then fried in a pan, like we do the chicory. And the scent of it is very distinctive. You can recognize it from any other smell that you've ever
There you go,
smelled.
Laura. You can cook it today for lunch.
Yeah,
Laura.
Laura
definitely.
and
Very
Lena will have
nice.
that for lunch.
Smells like mint, lemon.
Yeah, it's got a whole
Lovely.
mixture of flavors.
Nice.
Well, she's a flower child, isn't she?
Di qua. Io faccio quello che dice mio marito,
Brava! Go on, Laura, after you. So we're taking a little bit of a shortcut. Underneath the barbed wire.
Look, she's got two men helping her over.
Sorry. Yesterday I went to the gym. So
Okay.
yeah, excuses.
Possible.
Yay! She did it. Allora, on holiday or?
Chi c'ha paura? Quite a big drop down there, isn't it?
Non posso credere di quello che si è arrampicato.
This is the start of a little waterfall which gets ready to get down.
Yeah, but at the moment it's
Not raining. So Maria, how's your walk so far?
Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
Peace up here. The smells are incredible. The sea. How lucky are we?
the shame is I can't see the sea from my windows at home. I miss it all.
We're in the.
These are caves of very old age.
Sì.
And over there we've got a big lake which is part of the electricity farm of a big company called Enel. C'è dritto sto pavimento?
Welcome. Come in. Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes please.
Oh, it's beautiful. You should see the view from here.
I know.
Wow. E qui le vacche penso in estate, con i 40 gradi si...
So apparently the very last cave used to be a kind of a church.
Oh, let's go have a look.
That's what I read.
Really? Probably a church after the pagan. Bravi, tu dici?
Sì, sì, c'è
Eh,
scritto anche a
these
Battaglia,
niches.
cioè usavano questi buchi per
Niche.
mettere dei pali con cui
Del resto
dividevano le
questo qua, questo con
stanze.
questo penso che
Sì,
Combacia.
combacia, bravo. Questo,
per far
con
tetto. Sì.
questo,
Poi lo vedi quanto è nero, sicuramente facendo dei fuochi qua dentro,
sì.
Wow.
canalizzare il fumo fuori. Hello.
Oh,
No, questo è un luogo di culto.
ah, qua è...
Qua le mucche sicuramente si
Sì,
dormono.
sì.
Allora, cosa vi fa pensare che era un luogo di culto?
Secondo me questo dove scenavano, dove si accumulavano tutto.
No, it's a church apparently.
And this was apparently a church.
This is
So you've got little compartments. Maybe an altar over here or something.
So imagine, our life, it's literally a blink of an eye. But this has been here for
Thousands of years.
definitely.
Il naso è buono.
Level by level.
Le paste...
Marcio and Valerio love pasta romana. All of them. My favorite is cacio e pepe.
Vabbè, cacio e pepe di mare con il gambero crudo sopra.
No, il classico.
I would go for a pasta.
Buon appetito!
Buon appetito ragazzi.
Buon appetito.
Thanks, Juicy and Massimo. This is what's remaining of Castelluccio, is that right, Laura? Out of the tower, Mass.
Watchtower.
Oh. Yep. Ma scusa,
Proprio che c'è
fammi capire.
Sì.
Effettivamente si sale alla necropoli
Sì, sarà.
Picking some of this nipidedda. È nipidella o nipidedda? I can never. Nipidedda. Apparently, it's really good for your digestion, acne. So, you done your shopping, Laura? Rambo. Rambo. Look what we found. A little tomb.
Questo è proprio stile pantalica.
Yeah. Massi, fill her up, please.
Yeah. Turn around.
Again, beautiful. Okay, so we're making our way down. We had a beautiful walk. So it's taken us about 3.5 hours, I would say, but we did stop.
With a lunch break in between.
We had a nice lunch break. We had another little break where we had a bit to drink, and it's such a beautiful day. So now we're making our way down the mountain and back to the car.
It's so nice when you got some good company.
Yeah, fantastic company. Good morning. To think that we were up there yesterday is such a beautiful feeling. I love these mountains. This is nice for Easter, this type of decoration just for the table. It's a balancing act. I'm using rosemary because I've got an abundance of rosemary, but I suppose you can use bay leaves, sage, whatever type of herb you like. Put it anywhere. The smell is amazing, and that will just make the whole room smell beautiful. So I just picked some lemon thyme. Actually, Massimo picked this for me. Thanks, Mass. It smells beautiful. I think I'm going to add some of this. And that's it. It's my little decoration to put on the dining room table. Very happy. So I'm just filming Massi and his bees.
This is the 4th tray, yes.
4th tray.
So from here onwards I should be starting to find the queen. You see there's a lot of brood cells on there?
Yeah.
So that's full of brood cells.
Hang on, the brood cells are these yellowy...
The dark brown ones. So that there's little baby bees in there.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean, all these.
Yeah, you can see the pupa inside the white pupa in there, between those cells. The formation of the eggs that she's laying over here are very good.
Yeah.
She's grouping them well. In there, there's still larvae, so that's starting to grow now. I'm just having
but hang on, that yellow bit over there that you
That's pollen.
That's pollen,
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a bit of a mixed tray.
Okay.
I need to find the queen. Yeah, and I spotted her. There she is over there.
Oh, yes, you can see she's completely different. Eh?
She's a lot bigger than everyone else.
Yeah. So we're going to get some more honey this year.
This year we're going to do well with this one, yeah.
Yay!
Absolutely. This hive here is a Kenyan top bar hive. I love this hive because the bees grow naturally here.
Wow, look at the way they just group together into like a little ball.
There's the queen. Oh, hello. She's a big girl, isn't she?
Oh, yes.
She's beautiful. That's a beautiful buckfast. She's born naturally because the last queen in this hive flew away. So yeah, I've taken that one out and I'm going to put it into the other top bar hive which I have created over there.
Oh, so this is a baby Kenyan one, right?
This is a small Kenyan hive, yeah. This is my own design as well.
You're amazing! Bear, what do you think about the bees? The birds and the bees, Bear? You couldn't be oh! Very good.
Morning. Quick recipe. It's a Roman recipe. It's called fettuccine al limone. We're not using fettuccine. We're using another type of pasta, spaghetti. An onion. Chop it up finely. Get the ham. Roll it up, this thinly sliced ham. And you cut it into rough squares. Other ingredients that I've got. A lemon, because it's called al limone. I'm using today rosemary, some lemon thyme, and some oregano that I just bought. This is from our garden, it's fresh, and this is dry. So I'm mixing herbs up. Normally you just use thyme or rosemary. I'm going to use all three. Take that, get your ingredients, grab your pan. Put it into a pan. First the onions. You've got to let them soften up, so we'll fry those off. I'll get back to you. As you can see, there's a lot of fat coming off the ham. That's one of the most important parts. Once you see that happening, then you can start adding your flavors. So I'm going to first put in my herbs, oregano, rosemary, and the lemon thyme from our garden. Very proud of that. This is the rind from a lemon, as you can see I've grated it in.
Lemons from our garden.
The lemon from my garden. You mix that all up a bit, and as you can see I've got a lemon over there. That is the last thing I put on. But I'm going to now put some water from the pasta into this to create a little bit of a sauce. So you see that foam on the top? That's what creates your sauce. That is the starch from the pasta.
Big secret.
It's not really a secret.
A lot of Italians do that, but a lot of, people don't know that.
People don't know that, and it's something I'd like to promote a lot. You see the sauce straight away, it's got all nice and thick, and that is your base sauce for it all. In the end, I'm going to let that cook off a little bit, and I'm going to add the lemon into it. A little bit of black pepper, and then you take your lemon, hold your hand like that so the seeds don't go in, give it a squeeze, catches all the seeds in your hand, get all the lemon juice in there, and I would say at this stage I'm going to turn the flame off underneath this pan. You want to get that nice cooking up there, and you need to always add a bit of water from the pasta even now at this stage, just so it doesn't dry up, because when it dries up the sauce kind of goes away from it. I'm getting all that pasta as much as I can possibly get in there, and I'm going to literally pour it in there. Add cream and Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan. So the cream goes in now. This is a 50% light cream. And you'll see the change of color in the sauce. Putting the cream in, the sauce starts going white, and that's the color you want in it. And last but not least, you're going to add some Parmesan cheese in there, And then you're going to put some on top of your plate when you got it in your plate. Let that mix up quite a bit and it starts to brew up. The cream was cold. As you can see, it needs to start boiling again. It's starting to make a nice creamy base to it. To finish that off, I'm going to turn the flame down. I'm going to get some of this Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it on top. Not a lot, double sprinkle, that'll be fine. I'm going to mix it in there and I've turned the heat on low. And you need to just let that simmer for 30 seconds, a minute even if you like. Look at that sauce. It's almost ready. Lemon has become a big part of our lives since we got back to Sicily.
Yes, very big. Pour it in. Nice.
Enough for me.
Ooh, very nice.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Cheers.
Thank you, Massi. This looks amazing.
Let's give that a try.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Wow.
This is how we do it. Very nice.
Lemons need to be organic, though. I think when people do this plate, this dish.
Organic lemons. You want the
Organic
most
lemons.
natural tasting lemons.
Good quality pasta. Yeah, amazing. Thank you, Chef Massi. I, on the other hand, use a spoon.
The traditional way.
I don't know if it's a traditional, but I can't eat spaghetti without a spoon.
Yum.
Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we hope to see you next week. Bye bye.